How to watch YouTube TV on Samsung Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV so you can start streaming live channels and shows easily. Important notice: YouTube TV is only supported on Samsung Smart TVs made in 2016 or later with Tizen OS. If your TV is older, you'll need to use a streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Step 1. Check TV compatibility. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. Go to Settings, Support, About this TV. Check the model year. It should be 2016 or newer. Also, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the Samsung Smart Hub App Store. Press the Home button. Navigate to Apps. In the search bar, type YouTube TV. Step 3. Install the YouTube TV app. Select the YouTube TV app from the results. Click Install. Await for the installation to complete. Step 4. Open and sign in. Launch the YouTube TV app. Choose Sign In. A code will appear on your TV screen. On your phone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the code and sign in with your Google account. Step 5. Start watching. Once signed in, you'll see the home screen with live TV, library, and more. Use your remote to browse channels and start watching instantly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you set up YouTube TV on your Samsung Smart TV, please like and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials.